Добрый день, друзья!
Hello, dear friends. I would like to invite you to my course that will start on December 9th on Felting School Online website. I will present you my new video masterclass, Graphic Textures, where we will study the technique of creating a plastic canvas with volumetric textures from felt and yarn. I will show the full cycle of creating a vest, starting from the selection of materials, making a template, to a completely finished product, and also show the process of creating asymmetric coat. I came up with this technique for my return collection. For those who would like to try it out in a small format, I will also show how to create two colors. The first is an elegant black with a delicate shine. I think that you have enough time to create it for the holiday season. Second one, perhaps a little more casual, you can see now on me. This video course will be interesting and useful for both beginners and experienced felt makers, since the technique is very versatile and combines well with other garments. I also created a private group on Facebook for course participants, where we will share our results, communicate, and support each other. I will also do several live broadcasts on different topics, not only related to felting technology. Participants are already actively joining the group. I'm waiting for you all. Link to the course will be attached to the description of the video.